Mastering culinary terms, thicken the sauce. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the flavorful world of cooking terms. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning and application of the phrase, thicken the sauce. Whether you're a budding chef or just looking to improve your culinary vocabulary, this video is tailored for you. Let's get cooking. Thicken the sauce is a common culinary term that refers to the process of increasing the viscosity of a sauce, making it richer and creamier. This technique is essential in cooking because it not only enhances the texture of the sauce but also concentrates the flavors, ensuring that every bite is packed with taste. Thickening a sauce is not just about texture, it's about flavor and presentation. A well-thickened sauce clings to your food, enveloping it in a velvety coat of deliciousness. It's also visually appealing, giving dishes a glossy, appetizing finish that's sure to impress. There are several methods to thicken a sauce, each bringing its unique properties and uses. 1. Using a roux, a mixture of flour and fat cooked together, used as a base for many sauces. 2. Cornstarch or arrowroot, a gluten-free alternative, perfect for giving a glossy finish and a silky texture. 3. Reduction, simmering the sauce, allowing excess water to evaporate, intensifying the flavor and naturally thickening the sauce. 4. Adding dairy, cream, yogurt, or cheese can also thicken sauces while adding a rich, smooth texture. Whisk constantly. Prevent lumps by whisking continuously when adding thickeners like flour or cornstarch. Simmer. Don't boil. When reducing a sauce, a gentle simmer is often more effective and controlled than a rolling boil. Patience is key. Thickening a sauce can take time, especially if you're reducing. Give it the time it needs to reach the perfect consistency. Thickening a sauce is a fundamental skill in cooking that transforms good dishes into great ones. By mastering this technique, you'll elevate your culinary creations, delighting your palate and those of your guests. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has enriched your cooking journey. Stay tuned for more kitchen wisdom. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious content.